Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, open Wizstar.com. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now click on login button in the bottom left corner and then select register and check mark the terms and condition box. You can either continue with your Google account or with your email address, but for this video I'll go with Google account. Finally, after signing up, you'll see a dashboard like this. Now click on tools from the left sidebar and select video generator. Here you can use both image to video and text to video, but I'll go with text to video. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. So simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into Wizstar AI. Then select the video model such as Kling, Cadence, etc. But I'll go with Kling 3.0. Below, select the aspect ratio, video duration, and video quality up to 4K as well. And finally hit the generate button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. This tool gives you 300 free credits as a sign-up bonus. Once your credits run out with one account, simply sign up again using another account or email address, so you can get more free credits and generate as many videos as you want until this tool becomes paid. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. Our free AI video has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided, with excellent quality and resolution. So guys, with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.